Glueless wigs have become my new go-to, and this one from WestKiss is just a chef's kiss. That was corny, but let's go ahead and get into the details of this hair. So the hair in today's video is from WestKiss, and it came along with a couple goodies. As for the hair, it is a glueless 4x7 HD lace closure wig in 22 inches, and it literally comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached. You can literally throw it on your head and be gone, and I just really love that for me. So let's go ahead and put her on. Now I did go in with a little bit of lace tint spray because I just love the way that this spray matches my skin tone. After I finished spraying the wig, I just went ahead and put it on and got it in place. And you can leave yours as is, but for me, I just wanted to cut a little bit of the lace that was in the front, and they had it in like a zigzag kind of motion, so I just went ahead and did that same thing. After I finished cutting the lace, now I'm just separating the hair into different sections, and I'm going to be defining the curls. And if you've been watching me for a while, then you kind of know this process. Pretty much I just saturate the hair with some water, I use some foaming mousse, and then I go in with a detangling brush and a dimming brush to really define the curls. And the texture of this hair was super pretty. I also love the quality of it. I didn't really have any tangles at all. Also, I didn't experience any shedding, and the curls literally lasted all day, didn't frizz up or anything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish defining the curls, and I'll catch back up with you guys when I move it on to the next step. Alright, so now that I'm all done defining the curls, I'm just going in with a blow dryer just to speed up the drying process a little bit. And I have the dryer on warm heat. So now the hair is dry, and as you can see, the hair doesn't frizz up or anything. Like, I love the quality and the texture of this hair. Now I'm just taking a little bit of gel and I'm going to slick down the front of the hair. I also went in with a little more lace tint. This time I took this powder and I just kind of patted it along the hairline just to get it to blend in more, because this is a glueless unit, so we want it to look really seamless and natural. Alright, y'all, so this is the finished look and I am so in love with it. This wig is so low maintenance, perfect for beginners or perfect for someone that's like on the go. You can also wear this for vacation, just throw it on and be out the door. I personally love glueless wigs because I do not like having to deal with like gluing the hair down. I'm the type of person that like to take my wigs off at the end of the day because I just cannot sleep in them. So I love me a glueless wig. And again, this one is from WestKiss. This is their glueless 4x7 HD lace closure wig in 22 inches. And this is the texture curly wave. You can find all of the information for this hair down in my description box, so definitely check that out. Also, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.